1-minute trading mastery, part 1 of 600 candle types. Mother bar.
What is a mother bar and how to use it? A mother bar is a candle that completely engulfs the candle that follows it. The candle that follows it is called an inside bar. The body or wick of the inside bar should not be greater than or equal to the mother bar. You can control the wick distances numerically from the open, high, low, and close sections. The mother bar should be red when the price is at its lowest point and green when the price is at its highest point. The color of the inside bar is not important. For a mother bar to be valid, one of the candles following the inside bar must close above the mother bar's top or deep point. When this situation arises, you can plan the position according to your bias, and remember, always seek at least one more confirmation. Good luck, guys!